Okay. So this was supposed to be your homework, but we want to look at it together. I want you to pick any five that I should solve. So which one should I solve first?
So
Yes. Which one should I solve first?
all.
You can't tell me all. Just pick five that I should solve. Then you will solve the remaining. Pick the first one. Forget about whatever. Just pick the first that I should solve.
Where to start? There are number three that is there. No,
Number,
not number three.
wait, I should solve number three.
No. I want to ask a question.
Okay, ask your
That
question.
number three that is there. Is it just like that number three that is there? Is it just like 3p raised to power three times 3p raised to power
You are correct. Okay, okay.
okay, so
So
but
pick the.
okay.
I'm solving five. I'm going to solve five. So pick the first one I should solve.
Seven.
What number should I solve first? Number.
So you should do.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what you should do.
Okay, let me start from number one. When you have x raised to power 3, also raised to another power, what you would do is to multiply the powers, okay? This becomes x raised to power
Yes,
3
sir.
times 4, and this becomes x raised to power 12. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then number 2, p squared raised to power 7. What do you think that should be? P raised to power 2 times 7, right? And that's p raised to power 14. Number 3, 3p cubed raised to power 2. You just said something. You said 3p cubed times 3p cubed, right?
Yes, sir.
Aha. So what you do is 3 times 3, 9. Then p cubed and p cubed, you add the powers, okay? Is that clear? Then this is 9p raised to power 6. Or you can follow another method here by saying 3 squared, 9. Then the p, 2 and 3 multiplied, that is p raised to power 6. Okay? You are muted, so mute yourself so that I can hear you. Is that clear? Hello? Yes. Is that clear to you?
Yes, but
Okay,
I did
now
not say anything.
I said, let me hear you. You didn't use your earpiece again. Use
Yes,
your
sir.
use your earpiece so that it can reduce the background noise a little bit. Then number 4, 6. Wait. Use your earpiece. Use your earpiece.
So I can't really hear you. That is why.
Okay. Use your earpiece
Um,
and turn up the volume. Use your earpiece so it can reduce the background noise, okay? Now, have you
Yeah, I can hear you now.
okay, can you hear me now?
Yes,
Good, good, good. So let's continue. Um, let's see. Number six, we have 6t raised to power 4, also raised to power 2. That is 6 squared. 6 squared is what? 36. Then t raised to power 4 times 2. This is going to be 36 t raised to power 8. Is that clear?
yes,
Then number 5, we have 5v raised to power 5, also raised to power 2. So what do you think this should be? 5 square, which is 25. Then v raised to power 5 times 2, and this will be 25v raised to power 10. You can see this is pretty simple, okay? Then number 6, we have 10 x raised to power 50, also raised to power 2. So 10 square is 100, then x raised to power 50 times 2. So this will be 100x raised to power 100. Is that clear?
yes,
Okay. Number 7, let's take it to the bottom page so that we can look at it. Number 7, it says A, B, W, all squared. This is just A squared, B squared, W squared, and that's all, okay? Number 8, we have AB squared, also squared. So this is going to be A squared, then B raised to power 2 times 2, and this will be A squared B raised to power 4. Is that clear to you?
yes,
Okay, good. Then number 9, we have C cubed D squared. Okay, C cubed D all raised to power 2. So this is C raised to power 3 times 2, then D squared. This will be C raised to power 6, D raised to power 2. Then let's look at this. So the next one from number 10, let's check this from number 10. Can you see it? Can you see the question? Can you see the question? You are muted. Can you see the question?
yes,
Okay. Number 10, we have 5f raised power 4, also raised power 2. 5 squared is 25. Then f raised power 4 times 2. This will be 25 f raised power 8. And number 11, we have 2v squared w cubed, so raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. V squared, v squared is going to have another power 4. 2 times 4. Then w cubed also times 4. This will be 16v raised to power 8 times w raised to power 12. Finally, 16v raised to power 8 w raised to power 12. And number 12, we have 2v squared w cubed all raised to power 4. So this is just 2 raised to power 4 is 16. Oh, I think that's the same. Okay, yeah. Number 12 is another question, okay? So we have 3x raised to power 3 So 3 raised to power 3 is 27, then x raised to power 3. That's it. Then number 13, we have 13b cubed plus 2b all raised to power 3. So this is 13b cubed plus the 2 in the bracket raised to power 3 is 8, then b raised to power 3. So since they are both the same as b cubed, 13 plus 8 is 21b cubed. Are you getting that? I believe you're getting it. So number 14, let me divide this page so we can have no space at the bottom. Number 14, we have, okay, the 13b cube actually is number um, 14. So it's number 12 we want to look at now. But let me adjust this so that you don't get it confused when you're writing it down. So this is number 12. This one is going somewhere. And this is number, yeah, this one becomes number 14 now. So we can place this back there. So this comes back right here. And this goes to this. Okay, so number 14 now, we have 2x squared plus 3x all squared. So this is 2x squared, then 3 squared is 9, then x squared. So 2 plus 9 is 11x squared because they are both x squared. Then number 15, we have 41x squared minus 6x all squared. So this is 41x squared, then 6 squared is 36, then x squared. So 41 minus 36 is 5x squared. And we have question 16 to 18 to look at. Question 16 to 18. So we have it here. Number 16 says 2x all cubed times 3x all squared. So we have 2 cubed is 8, then x cubed. Then 3 squared is 9, then x squared. 8 times 9 is 72. X cubed and square is 2 plus 3, or 3 plus 2. The powers added together, 3 plus 2. So this would be 72x raised to power 5. Is this clear to you? Number 17, x times 2x all squared times 5x cubed. So this is x, then 2 squared is 4, then x squared, then times 5x cubed. So I have 4 times 5 is 20, then all of the x's together. We have x raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. The first one is 1, the second one is 2, and the third one is 3. So that is, oh, plus 2. So this will be 20x raised to power 6. And finally, x cubed plus 2x squared all squared, then times 5x. So this is x cubed, and this is 4x squared, and this is 5x. You can't add them together because the powers are different. So we cannot add it. If we're multiplying, then we can add the powers, but this is the answer. Unmute yourself and let me know if that is clear to you. I'm waiting. Unmute yourself and let me know if that is clear to you. Is that clear to you? Hello?
Max.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? I think this is the network issue
Wait.
here.
Maybe I just repeat
Can you
this.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Then is it clear to you?
It's only that number 18.
Number 18. Number 18, there's nothing wrong with number 18. 2 square is 4 and x square, so we can't do anything further because all of them have different powers, okay? I didn't
Okay.
do anything to this and I didn't do anything to this. It's only this one that I changed to 2 square and x square, okay? Right?
But how did you get 4?
2 square is 4. 2 has a square outside the bracket, okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Both 2 and x has the square because of the bracket. So 2 square is 4 and x square is x square. So I'll give you some time to write down all of this. Then I'll give you some to try, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me move